Reptiles are a fascinating group of animals that live all over the world. They include snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. Reptiles are different from mammals and birds because they are cold-blooded and have scaly skin. In this lesson, let us learn about reptiles and understand their special features. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals, which means their body temperature changes with the weather around them. They have dry, scaly skin that helps prevent water loss. Most reptiles lay eggs on land, while a few give birth to live young. They breathe through lungs from birth to death. Reptiles move in many ways, such as crawling, slithering, or walking on four legs. A snake is a long, legless reptile that moves by slithering across the ground. It uses its flexible body to glide smoothly and silently. Snakes have a forked tongue that helps them smell the air and find their prey. Some snakes catch their food by striking quickly, while others squeeze their prey tightly in coils. Many snakes are harmless, but some have venom to defend themselves or hunt for food. Lizards are reptiles that have 4 legs and scaly skin. They can live in deserts, forests, and even around human homes. Lizards are known for their ability to regrow their tails if they lose them. They use their long tongues to detect scents and their sharp eyesight to spot insects. Many lizards change their color to match their surroundings, helping them hide from predators. A crocodile is a large reptile that lives in rivers, lakes, and swamps. It has strong jaws with sharp teeth and a powerful tail that helps it swim. Crocodiles spend much of their time in the water, but come out to rest on riverbanks. They are skilled hunters that wait patiently before capturing their prey. Their tough skin and strong body make them one of the oldest and most powerful reptiles on Earth. A turtle is a reptile covered with a hard shell that protects its body. It moves slowly, both on land and in water. The shell acts like a shield, and the turtle can pull its head and legs inside when danger is near. Turtles breathe air through lungs even though many live in water. They eat plants, insects, or small fish, depending on their type and habitat. A frog is not a reptile but an amphibian, which means it lives both in water and on land. Frogs share some features with reptiles, such as being cold-blooded. They have smooth, moist skin and use their long, strong back legs to jump far. Frogs lay eggs in water, and their young ones, called tadpoles, live in water before changing into adult frogs. Understanding frogs helps us see how amphibians differ from reptiles. Reptiles live in many different environments across the world. Snakes and lizards thrive in hot deserts and dry grasslands. In forests, reptiles such as chameleons live high among trees. Turtles and crocodiles prefer rivers, lakes, and swampy areas where water is plenty. Some reptiles even live in mountainous regions, where they warm themselves by basking in the sun. Each reptile has adapted to live comfortably in its own habitat. Reptiles have developed many unique adaptations that help them survive. Their scaly skin protects them from injury and keeps moisture inside. Many reptiles can change their color to blend into the surroundings, hiding from predators. Being cold-blooded helps them survive on less food by slowing down their body activity. Their eggs have tough shells that keep the young ones safe on land. Strong jaws, sharp claws, and quick reflexes make them successful hunters. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals with dry, scaly skin. They breathe air, mostly lay eggs, and live in a wide variety of habitats. Snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles are some common examples. These animals help balance nature by controlling insect and animal populations. Learning about reptiles shows how beautifully nature creates different forms of life to survive and thrive on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.